Summertime's here, people are traveling on the road, having fun with their family, but these are some preventative measures you should take before you step in your car. My name is Shannon Sagan. I'm also known as the Dash Cam Lawyer. A couple things you should be aware of. Tires. Make sure your air pressure is fine. You don't have any nails that could potentially have slow leaks while you're driving, and that your tread is good. Have you gotten an oil change? Do you need one? Do you need a tune-up? Check your belts, your fluids, all those things. Windshield wipers. It's Florida. We've been getting rain every day. Those little things, you do that in advance, could help lessen the likelihood of you breaking down on the side of the road in the middle of the night in a place that you've never been before with your family. You don't want that happening and ruining your vacation. Other things that I could think of are make sure you have your insurance in your car and your registration in case you get pulled over. Make sure to check your license plate decal that you've renewed it so that you've got the proper year on there. I actually got pulled over forgetting to renew mine. Those little things can help make your vacation smooth and more enjoyable. Hope that helps.